Designing your living spaces is a very individual task. You have opted for Parador quality flooring. Today we will show you how this is properly installed. For easy installation, naturally you need the right tools. Your flooring first has to adjust to the climate in the room. For this reason, store the unopened packs there for at least 48 hours at over 17 degrees Celsius. Prepare well for the installation and also observe the enclosed product information. You will also find more information about installation in our flooring advice sections at Parador.de. You can use the planks in the so-called 0 degrees plate direction parallel to the room walls, as well as in the 45 degrees plate direction. From this point on, we will show you how to install them in the 0 degrees plate direction. For the installation of herringbone patterns, all you need are the universal planks developed by Parador. In other words, no special left and right hand planks. This means that you need much less space to store the planks and also means much less cutting waste. To determine the main direction, it is necessary to work out the exact center point between opposing walls. After shifting this point parallelly by 3.5 centimeters for engineered wood flooring and by 5 centimeters for laminate flooring, the axis as shown is directly over the ends of the installation plate. Mark these measuring points. Tip for installation: the color and texture differ with natural products. Therefore, mix the planks from several packs in order to achieve a balanced appearance. It is also recommended to intermix packs for laminate products. Please first install a whole row of 3 planks. Now stretch a piece of string between your measuring points and align the installation plate as shown precisely with the axis. This installation step is done dry first, that is, without adhesive. Custom cut planks must be inserted into the free spaces at the side. Long and end edge areas which cannot be independently held due to their shape must be weighed down when being glued in order to prevent protrusions. This step takes place later once the room has been completely laid out. To fix laminate planks permanently in place, it is necessary to glue the joints. Weigh these elements down too after gluing them. Please bear in mind a gap to the wall of 8 to 10 millimeters. Unlike engineered wood flooring planks, laminate planks can be laid as a floating installation, that is, without gluing them. We recommend that you use Acoustic Protect 100 from the Parador accessories range as an underlay. This compensates for smaller bumps, provides additional impact noise protection, and has a built-in moisture barrier. In order to install Parador engineered wood flooring in a herringbone pattern, whole area gluing is necessary. This guarantees the long-term stability of the flooring and reduces impact noise. As a surface area adhesive, only water and solvent-free mono or bi-component polyurethane adhesives or solvent-based adhesives in accordance with DIN 281 are recommended for this purpose by the adhesive manufacturer. Over and above this, please note the adhesive manufacturer's information about pre-treating the flooring, applying adhesive, and using the adhesive itself. Once you have installed the first rows dry and correctly aligned these, you can now begin to glue the subsequent rows. Simply apply adhesive in small areas on the flooring with a B11 spatula. Only prepare as much base area for gluing as you can process according to the manufacturer's information. Check all planks for damage before gluing them. Then push the planks carefully into each other and press them firmly into the glue. Adhesive residue on flooring surfaces and hands must be removed immediately using special cleaning cloths. Please always make sure the groove is neat and that the planks interlock exactly so as to avoid protrusions. The steps are repeated over the whole area and soon become routine. Always work neatly and conscientiously in order to achieve a harmonious installation. The edge planks and remaining areas must be inserted as described. Once you have reached the end of the room, you can then glue the first rows of planks that are still loose, which you previously laid dry according to the principle described. To do so, remove these loose pieces of plank and apply adhesive to the open areas. Then fill in the top 3 areas, glue the last filling pieces and weigh them down. Leave the adhesive to dry for approximately 24 hours. The flooring is then ready to walk on. Recommendation: now attach the matching Parador skirting boards with patented clip technology to create a harmonious appearance in the room. Now we are done. To summarize once again briefly, installing Parador flooring in a herringbone pattern. Plan 2 days for the acclimatization. Prepare tools and aids. Select direction of installation and work out the space. Work step by step according to the installation guide. Your Parador flooring is finished.